Welcome everyone back to another video. It's with Tyler, and today we will be opening this Hot Wheels 10 pack of cars that I got for Christmas. So yeah, I've already had it opened. So let's take a look at these cars. Now, this one is a pawn car, and as we go around you'll just see it's got the green bottom and the white top. Some kind of chess car. This is a Ford Tesla, 12 Ford Tesla. Let's put it on the top of the box. Moving on. This car, now look, it's got boosters, it's go fast, and then it's got the flames and stuff. Its wheels are very small. And this one is called the Salt Shaker. Now also, sorry for the camera quality or something. It's not, it's just my phone. Yeah. Moving on to car 3. This looks cool. It's like an old vintage car with flames on it on both sides. This one is called, I think, the Midnight Otto. That's what it says. Moving on to car number 4. Now, this is either a Nissan or a Toyota. Oh wait, I was about to say comment down below if you know before I turn to the back, because I know what the logo is. As you see, it's got its stripes on both sides, and it's a Nissan. It is a Nissan 370Z, I think. Yeah, let's put this first car on there. Moving on to number 5. If you guys know what this is, comment down below now, or just say in the comments. This is another chest-like car, like the pawn one. For some reason. It's cool, guys. Oops. This car is 07 Ford Mustang. For some reason I thought it was a Charger, Dodge Charger, or Challenger, whatever it's called. Moving on to car 6. This thing, it's a G-Ready. This looks fast. Let's make this video quick. This is a Nissan Fairlady. Moving on to car 7. This weird U. It's got blue with the stripes. Hot Wheels logo. And it's got this engine. This car is a Bedium, it says. If you have this pack, the exact pack, you just go and get it out if you want. Now, moving on to car 7. Oh, some vintage car that's got white stripes and black and orange. Yeah. Now, this is a 68 Nova TMG. Wait, it's not TMG. It's probably, I don't know, it's just some Nova car. Put it up the back. Oh, yeah. Here. Moving on to car 8. This is a race car. It's got the number 68 with the flames. That's the rear. Yeah, and It's a Chevy Impala. Okay. Okay. This car's a 16 Angels. Hopefully you enjoyed this video for all these cars, and we might do some more later. See you in the next one.